Hey, Andrew Shear here. I had a question from Gareth. He says, Hi, Andrew. I appreciate the opportunity to ask a question. I have two challenges. Number one, for building citations, can we provide an email account to use? And number two, can your team manage cleaning up a brand image? Lord knows what's out there in the wild before a name change. Thanks so much, Gareth. So, for the first one, for building citations, you can definitely provide an email account to use. If you provide the email account, make sure we have a way to log in there and verify the citations for you. And also make sure that it's an email account that you don't mind getting spammed to death, because what's going to happen is if we go in there and do a bunch of citations for you, um, those citation sites sell the data to other parties, and one of those things they sell is the email address, and it's going to get spammed to death. So the other question was, can your team manage cleaning up a brand image or brand change? So yeah, that's for citation cleanup and boost. That's the use case for this particular service. And what you're going to want to do is start with an audit. You'll start with an audit, and what happens is we'll manually check every existence of the business that's mentioned out there on the web. And then from there, you'll be able to go back to the order form and then order the amount of mentions that you need changed. So that's the two-step process for citation cleanup and boost. So yeah, I mean, we do this all the time. So that's really common. And we'd be happy to help you with that. So yeah, I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, feel free to go to marketercenter.com, click on Ask Anything, and fill out the form at the bottom. So yeah, I hope this helps.